look at this video now. Again, unlocking the potential, maximizing your life insurance benefits, part 2. So we look at the case study in terms of Brian passing away prematurely and then all the money going towards his family. But now we now look at that situation where it is, what if Brian does not die prematurely? Right? Because this is a question everybody does ask, right? What happens to the money if he does not die prematurely? So let's look at that situation. If Brian does not die, what can he get? So let's say 20 years has passed, and since he had the policy, Brian is healthy, Brian is alive, nothing is wrong with Brian. Depending on how his life insurance is structured, Brian could withdraw $500,000. He could either use that money for educational planning for his daughter, or he could either use that money to give her to start a business, or he could keep that money for himself. He has the option to withdraw that money from his life insurance while he is still alive. Now, this type of plan is called an endowment life insurance. But let's say if Brian lived to age 65, Brian could also use this plan as part of his retirement planning. So if Brian lives to age 65, he can structure his plan that if he lives, he can receive the full $1.5 million from his life insurance policy. Basically killing two birds with one stone. He had insurance if it is he was to pass away, the money goes towards his family, but he has money if it is he lived, that he could go towards his retirement and he could go and play golf, right? Now, but let's say his wife did have the same plan as him, right? If Brian's wife took out the same plan, in 20 years, the $500,000 becomes $1 million, because he will receive $500,000 and his wife will receive $500,000, right? And then if it is they both have the same plan that goes to age 65, instead of one person, the husband Brian received the $1.5 million and his wife could receive the $1.5 million. In total, you have $3 million, right? So again, this is again showing ways how you can maximize your life insurance while you are alive. But there's still one more major flaw in having this type of plan alone. Stay tuned for part 3 of this video. What I'm going to do for you guys, I'm going to host a webinar basically discussing unlocking the path to home ownership, where it is we discuss mortgage qualification, pre-approval, and life insurance insights. Now, one of the topics that we're going to cover in this is understanding the mortgage process, how to qualify for a mortgage, key factors the bank considers before giving a mortgage approval, and tips to improving your debt-to-income ratio. I'm also going to discuss my role as an insurance advisor, the importance of life insurance for home ownership, and how life insurance can protect your loved ones, and the different types of life insurance policies to consider when doing a mortgage. Now, if you want to be part of this webinar, like and follow, or you can send me a WhatsApp, and stay tuned as I will discuss in terms of more information on the webinar, the date and the time, etc. But until then, continue to follow for more tips and ideas on insurance.